offer. On stage, please welcome Zurich Bob 1, Oliver Lauer and Florian Andre. Welcome on stage, guys, and set up exactly then. Let me know whenever you are ready. How do you feel? Ready?
Nervous.
Nervous, of course. The big moment is here. Is it here? You ready?
Yeah,
You're set up? Okay, good to go. So please, guys, the stage is yours in 3, 2, 1, go.
How do you feel? Are you tired? Nobody's tired. We are tired here. But we have already won because we are allowed to stay here on stage. And I want to thank the host for this beautiful event here. Anyhow, we have done a lot of party in the night, but nevertheless we came with nothing. But now we have an idea. We really have an idea, and we have already implemented something. The problem, just let's explain the problem. Deutsche Bank sells insurance from Zurich, we have from Zurich, for many, many years. It's a manual process, it's in an untrusted environment, not digital, not Gen Y enabled. Leads to bad conversion rate, lost chances, revenue for Zurich, decreasing commissions for Deutsche Bank, and of course unsatisfied customers for Deutsche Bank and Zurich. So our approach is, we go where the digital customer is. We go where we know the customer in a trusted environment. And we don't sell anymore. We are there at the right time for the right offer. Using, and this is very important, using the technologies the customer knows and is comfortable with. So what we are doing and what we would like to show here is to integrate into the Deutsche Bank portal, it's called TRXM, use Facebook as a known technology and use modern APIs, the ones we have been provided here from Deutsche Bank, but we also have a very modern new API from Zurich where we can directly transact against insurances. Okay. Now you have 2 minutes now.
Well, thank you. Okay, so we start off as classic. We go customer of the Deutsche Bank. He logs into the customer portal, and within the customer portal, of course, Deutsche Bank knows exactly which transactions are made, so we can filter out anything that is interesting for our insurance, and we put in some banners there based on the transaction, which could be a skiing trip, and then the customer can just click on it to go into Facebook Messenger here. And so it starts up. So the advantage of using the Messenger, we're directly on all platforms, for example, mobile platforms, or just as we use it here in a web browser. So have you covered your bones for the next skiing holidays? That's the question. So I don't understand. What do you mean by that? So we're talking about insurance here, and actually not everybody likes to, well, being offered some stuff just by talking to them. So no thanks. We don't want that. But we should actually take a closer look here into your transaction details, so we can offer you the best insurance. Okay, cool. That sounds interesting. What we did here, we used the Deutsche Bank API to analyze, of course, the user information and the addresses, everything we also need as an insurance company. So on those parameters, we're actually selecting a few insurances. Now we have 2 examples here, but of course, the more expensive one is the one we offer. And when we have that, we can finish our transaction here by actually 10 seconds. Okay, so yes, we have read the documents, and then we, of course, because we're in a Deutsche Bank context, we can just pay
This
it.
is real life. This is really the Deutsche Bank API and the Zurich API. We sold the insurance and we paid it directly.
Yeah, so that is all real live APIs here. Okay, so yes, I think we're done. Thank you very much.